campers! Welcome to another episode of the virtual Lego camp for our virtual fair this year. So, have you seen the other challenge we made? We made from a bridge to the marble maze to a 100-piece challenge to the favorite fruit. Another challenge we thought we'd come up with between myself and Compound and me is like, what's 4-H? A bunch of animals, right? Exactly. So we thought you could sit there and out of all your variety of Lego bricks and stuff, come up with one of your most favorite animals, okay? Whether it's a cow, pig, cat, dog, peacock, bird, whatever it might be. I want you to use your imagination, design your own animal, okay? And I'd love to see what you all come up with. You'll see here in just a minute, Compound and myself will make a couple of different animals and showcase for you all. And so I'd love to see what you got and talk to you soon. Alright, so since this is a 4-H and we love animals in a 4-H, yeah, big K and a little K, K unit, sorry. We have our animals. So, the Compound can zoom in on us. You can see our little individual animals we have down here. I'm not going to tell you what they are, I'll let you figure it out. Alright? These, you can be as small and complex as these, or you can be as big and elaborate as you want to be. I'd love to see what y'all come up with, and let's figure it and try and guess what you created. So we check in, you have a good day.